Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today what we have here is an Emerson Casablanca Classic ceiling fan. This is a 4-blade fan, drop flywheel, and it features a K55 motor, not KB55 or K63, K55. I got this from Hampton Hubbard at the Fanimation group trip. I don't know, he might have a YouTube channel, I don't know if he does or not. But I traded him a shit ton of stuff for this. That shit ton of stuff being, I believe it was a Casablanca Spirit of Saturn, a Emerson 1895, what else? A Evergo spinner, a plastic Emerson, and an antique brass Charleston. These are all things that, like, I didn't really see myself ever putting up on the ceiling ever again. So I was okay with getting rid of these fans. And also, I just wanted to purge the collection a little bit, which I will be doing again. Hold on. Future Carter edited this shit out. But yeah, this fan originally came to me with, I believe it was either a 1 foot or 2 foot long down rod, and it was converted to ball and socket. I've since then put, for temporary testing purposes, I've put my Fasco parlor fans mounting system on this fan, as well as the Fasco light kit. I do plan on maybe featuring it with this light kit. The problem is I don't really have a set of glass that I feel like would work the best with this fan. And also, that light kit has already been featured on this fan in Hampton's life. I don't know where he posted it, but I know there's a photo out there. But yeah, I believe this is a 52-inch fan, if I'm not mistaken. Has the tuna can canopy, and yeah, start it off. I'm still debating if I like white and antique brass or brown and antique brass. I believe that was the two finishes that these came in for the ornate versions, because these did have a non-ornate version. I'm not quite sure if that was considered the premium or that was just another Emerson Casablanca Classic. But I really do like this combo. Here's a good close-up at the ornate. Probably should have shown it to you guys while the fan was off, but oh well. Has a stepped flywheel. Textured finish. I do need to clean this. But, yeah. This low speed is alright. I mean, you can't really feel, you can feel a little breeze, but it's not too much. This is good just to have on, just to keep the room circulating. Now, before acquiring this fan, I did not know these were 3-speed fans. I thought these were 2-speed fans, like the London fans. But I was wrong, so imagine my surprise when I was first testing this. It's the top. I do really like the motor design, like the motor housing design. I think that's very interesting. Alright, let's bring it to medium. He did put this nice little pull chain on, which I really like. I'm grateful for that. I'm just gonna do this because that's gonna annoy the shit out of me. There we go. Now you can definitely start to feel a breeze now. if this was installed in my house, this would probably be the speed that I would leave it on. This is medium. Not too fast, but also you can actually feel it. This fan is also reversible. It took me like 5 minutes to try to find the reverse switch because I was looking all up in here. So I thought it was gonna be like a Fasco where it'd be like on the bottom. It's at the top. It's like hidden in the top. Let's take a look without the light. Also, now that I'm doing more commentary type videos, let me know if you prefer this or the silent ones. I think I prefer the commentary, because if for me, I like to have a video on in the background while I do something. So, but let me know. You can hear a slight, very slight bear noise. Very slight, but nothing to really worry about. As you can tell, the canopy got a little mangled. I don't know how. That's how I received the fan. But, oh well, it don't matter. Let's crank her to high. Will this be something that I will be keeping forever? I don't know. We'll see. Do I like this fan and I'm gonna keep it for now? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, now I can really feel it. I'll see if my editing skills are that good, and I'll pop a picture of this fan with the other light kit, and you can decide which one you like more. It'll be like maybe over here. I don't know, I'll figure it out. I gotta tighten the switch housing. And yeah, I think we'll call it quits for now. I'm not doing spin down. I don't got patience for that. Here we go. Thank you for watching.